Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I make a set of floral soaps for Beltane. These make a great gift, or use them yourself in a ritual bath as summer begins. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm going to use 3 different flowers in some soap today: roses, lavender, and jasmine. To keep it simple, I'm using a clear glycerin melt and pour soap base and some essential oils to add an extra scent. I'll leave a link to all of the materials I used in this magical craft below. And if you enjoy my DIY and crafty content, kindly leave a like on this video. My process for making all 3 of these floral soaps is to set aside a few whole, dried flowers to decorate the tops of each soap bar, and then use another few flowers to create a coarse powder to stir into the soap. This powder will be added to the melted liquid soap along with several drops of essential oil to boost the scent. I'm crushing the flowers into a powder so that they can be easily washed out of a sink or bathtub and not clog up the drain. I'm using an old spice grinder to accomplish this task with a few pulses, but you could also use a mortar and pestle. Don't forget to clean out your spice grinder or mortar in between each batch of soap so as not to cross-contaminate. I'm leaving my melt and pour soap clear for this magical craft. However, you could use non-toxic colorant if you wanted to color your soap base. And you could use any kind of melt and pour soap base that you prefer. I'm using clear glycerin. However, there are lots of options to choose from, including goat's milk, shea butter, cocoa butter, and more. While I did not film myself melting my soap base, I do have a few tips for you. When you're melting your soap, keep it on a low heat. Never allow it to boil. Boiling your soap base can result in a lot of moisture evaporating out, causing it to harden too quickly. It can also result in yellowing or even cause the soap to smell funny. Another tip is to have all of your additives ready when you remove your soap from the heat. You only have between 1 and 3 minutes to add herbs, flowers, scents, and colors before the base begins to harden. Beltane is known for its associations with love, attraction, and sexual energy. Beltane is also a perfect time for beauty and glamour spells. You may wish to take a ritual bath to discover and enhance your inner beauty, and take advantage of this time of renewal and rebirth. I put this printable floral apothecary label sheet on my Patreon. If you'd like to download a PDF of it, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs, and I continue to add new, downloadable content as I do more projects on the channel. During a ritual bath, you may wish to create a bath altar using a bath tray, some candles, and any flowers, herbs, crystals, or other items that speak to you during this holiday. Bathing with a floral soap can impart the plant magics that promote the elements you want to convey upon yourself during a ritual bath. Roses are the flowers most commonly associated with love. Being the flower of love, roses have long been used in magic love spells. Roses were found to have been buried in Egyptian tombs as an offering to the goddess Isis. use roses and magic to enhance intuition, beauty, confidence, and sexuality. Lavender promotes happiness and calmness. Wear lavender perfume or add lavender to your beauty and love spells to bring your next lover to you. This flower is good for use in love spells and sachets and is most commonly associated with love, devotion, purity, and grace. Jasmine is used for sensual and spiritual workings alike. Its two main uses are love spells and divination. It's harvested at night to extract its perfume. It's associated with the night and the moon, making it a lunar herb. Jasmine's an appropriate choice for all manner of moon magic, prophecy, dreaming, and attraction. It's used in love drawing magic and is said to attract spiritually pure love. It's important to make sure that your soap bars are completely cooled and hardened before popping them out of your soap molds. Let them cool for several hours to make sure. I hope this video gives you some ideas for making your own Beltane soaps or creating a ritual bath to celebrate the beginning of the summer season. And I hope you have a blessed Beltane.